Welcome to K2 Futures Analysis and Trading. Today is September 20th. We have the market that broke through this lower support that's held for a couple of days, 1450. We're in a trading range for a few days, 1450 to 1460. So it's possible we'll see a move down to the 1440 area perhaps. We're going to put a sell stop at 445.75. Cancel that order. We're going to scale into a short position. Our first entry is going to be at 48 even. Our target's down to 41 on the first one. Stops are at 53. We'll just pause for a little bit for the video. Let's take a bit of a look at where we might go to. On the downside, we have a look at a 480 minute chart here. The last good resistance area was around the 1432. 1433. If we take a look at other pullbacks, the two most recent ones, one of them being here, if we put that up at the high, we see that comes in exactly at the last resistance area that we had to push through before the FOMC. The most recent, or the second most recent, which was here, that would put us down at 38. And so the first area, the 618, is at 43.25. So if we put our stop to our first target to say 44, which would be 4 points from the entry. See if we can get a fill on that. Okay, we're filled on the first profit target of 4 points. We're going to move our stop now down to 49, which is 1 point above entry, so we have no risk. It's now 10 o'clock. We have the Philly Fed announcement at top of the hour, and it's apparently negative 1.9. Okay, we're going to move our stop to our entry price of 48, which is just above the opening price of 47.75. So the market's made it back up to the open, stopped out there, so it picked up 4 points on the first half and stopped at entry on the second. There's a fair bit of volume coming here after the Philly Fed. So we'll step aside for a little bit and see what happens here. In fact, if we consolidate here for a little bit, we'll put a buy stop just above the highs at around the 49 and a quarter. And see whether we can get a long to work out as it breaks the daily high, if that's what it's going to do. So all we've done is made it down to the 618 of this big up move here after the FOMC announcement. We'll also put a buy stop at 49, and we'll move our buy down to 47 even. Okay, so we're going to remove the buy down at 47 at the moment, just to wait and see how this consolidation near the highs pans out. We'll leave a buy stop at 49. We'll give it a little bit more time. So at the moment we are in between the 30-minute opening range, which was 43.50, to 48.75. Okay, so the long got triggered at 49. We're moving our profit target 1 to 50 even. Okay, so our first profit target was filled. We'll move our stop to 48. And I'll move my profit target on the second half to 51, which is 2 points. I'm going to put my stop to 48.50. Okay, we've backed off this 51 area pretty quickly. So I'm going to drop my target down to 49.75. So we didn't quite get our fill at 51 there. The market backed away pretty quickly. So I might drop our target down to 50 and see if we can get a fill on that. Okay, so we're out at 50. We'll just sit flat for a little bit. We're going to ease into a short here at 51.75. And we're going to put our first profit target at 50.75. Alright, so we're filled on the first half. So I'll just pause the video for a little bit. So we're coming back down towards the 30-minute highs. So what we'll do is we'll put our profit target here at 48.75, which is just at the top of the 30-minute highs. Okay, I've moved our stop back down to just below the market here. Try and get a little bit more out of this. Give it some room to breathe for a while. So what I'm going to do is push my target to 49.75. See if we can get 2 points on the second half. Okay, no fill there, so I'm going to move my target back down and just let it cook for a little bit. I'm going to move my stop down to 51.50. Okay, it's now 12:49 PM Eastern. The market just dropped a little bit there. We have a sort of a head and shoulders with a lower right shoulder there for those that follow these sorts of things, which would give us a target of around about this area here, 46 or so. I think be safe to move our stop down another tick to half a point below entry on the second half. Now we are testing the 30-minute breakout, the first 30-minute breakout area, so we're either going to hold that and move higher or go down a bit further. So put the profit target to 46.75. Okay, I'm going to put my stop to 50.75, which is just a point below entry. Okay, just past the 1 o'clock Eastern, putting my stop down to 50.25, just above this little congestion area here at 50. Okay, so we're going to have a short on the market at 53. And we're going to take some quick profits at 52 and a half if we can on the first half. Okay, so that's half of the position off. And we'll try and take the other half at 52 even. Okay, so we're currently flat. Okay, it's now 3:14 Eastern. We're done for the day. Have a look at the trades here. Do a bit of a point total. So the first short, we got 4 points, and then break even entry on the second half. So +4. 0. The second one, we had a long entry, we got 1 point, and then 1 point on the next one as well. We had a short entry here at 51.75, got out with 1 point and then 1.5 points. And the last one, we had a quick short and got half a point and then 1 point. So what do we got? 4, 7, 10 points. And that's based on one contract, so about 500 there for the day, not too bad. Okay, so that's it for Thursday, September the 20th, 2012. Thanks for watching.